Partitioning a hard drive has many advantages: ease of operating system installation, simpler backups, keeps your data and programs safer, better file organization, and a necessary action for those who want to install multiple operating systems. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the simplest way to create partition on your computer. First, press the Windows button plus X on the keyboard, or just search Disk Management on the taskbar. You can also use Command Prompt or CMD to open the Disk Management. On search, type CMD and run it. Then in Command Prompt window, type disk mgmt.msc. Once the Disk Management window was open, right-click on the drive that you want to partition and select Shrink Volume. It may take few seconds to show the shrink options of the selected drive. In the shrink window, it shows the total size before shrink and available space that you can shrink all in megabyte. In the third row, enter the amount of space that you want to shrink. For instance, I want to dedicate 400 GB for my personal data. So I type 410 with 3 zeros. Whatever value you enter in megabyte, divide it to 1024 to see the exact value in gigabyte. Then in the fourth row, you can see the total size after shrink in megabyte. Wait for a few seconds till the drive allocation complete. Now right-click on unallocated drive and select New Simple Volume to assign a letter and label to this volume. Press Next to specify the volume size. Since I have selected 410 GB, I leave this volume untouched and press Next. I'm happy with drive letter D, Next. In this window, select Format this volume with the following settings. For the file system, select NTFS, which has a better performance compared to exFAT system. As for allocation unit size, leave it default. Volume label, give it a name. I select data, press Next. Now you can see a summary of the settings you have selected. Press Finish and we are done. However, this process is reversible. To do that, right-click on it and select Delete Volume. You will receive a warning that all data on this volume will be erased. Press Yes if you have backup. Now we have an unallocated volume which can be allocated to other drives. Right-click on Drive C and select Extend Volume. Press Next. By default, the maximum available space is chosen, so you do not need to change anything. Press Next, then press Finish. The unallocated volume will be combined with drive C. I press Cancel since I need this drive. At the end, hope this video helps partition your drives efficiently. If you have any question, leave a comment below, and same as always, thank you for watching and see you next time.